Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to use Contra Freelance. So if you want to use Contra Freelance and set up a payment method, here is a straightforward process and a step-by-step guide to get started. So the first thing you have to do is access your Contra account by signing up or log into your account. After that, fill in your personal details, skills and experience to create a comprehensive profile that attracts potential clients. Once you do that, go to the wallet section in your Contra dashboard, click on add payment method and choose your preferred payment option. For example, you can use your bank account, your PayPal or USDC or USD crypto wallet. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. After that, verify your identity. So for you to be able to verify your identity, depending on your country, for you to be able to verify your identity depends on your country, you may need to verify your identity by just providing the identification document. These steps ensure and secure transaction and compliance with regulation. After that, browse the opportunity feed to find projects that match your skill, apply the opportunities or get matched to projects on Contra. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the bell button and follow for more.